A tree whose bark is used to treat for bronchitis. What a fantastic tree it is. Introducing Mammalis, Pittosporum pintandrum of the family Pittosporaceae. Mammalis is a small drought-tolerant evergreen tree that prefers fertile, well-drained soil and full sun exposure for optimal growth. The wood of Mammalis is used to produce wooden beads for ethnic-inspired jewelry. It can also be used for bobbins, spindles, shuttles, meter sticks, fans, and toothpicks. Fruits of Mammalis have medicinal value and produce oil for energy. The decoction of leaves is aromatic and used in baths by women after giving birth. The bark is used as a febrifuge and an antidote and is effective for bronchitis. The leaves of Mammalis have a very pleasant resin odor when crushed or crumpled. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.